This assembly video can be used for any of our 5X air purifiers that use the new Tapeless design. If you have one of our older kits, please refer to the link in the description for a different video. The Northbox 5X kit comes with 4 laser-cut panels, hardware and electrical components, and a 12-volt power supply. You will need a Phillips screwdriver or a 7mm socket to tighten some machine screws. Our deluxe kits also come with fans. If you bought a bare kit, we recommend Arctic P12 non-PWM type fans, but any 120mm 12-volt computer fan will work, though you will get a different clean air delivery rate. To attach the fans, make sure the fancy label is facing up or towards the inside of the box. There are arrows to show the direction of flow. You want the air flowing out of the box and towards the protective grills. Attaching the fans is simple. The nylon push pins hold the fans to the panel. Just line up the fan, then press it into place. Make sure that the power cable does not face out towards the longer sides of the panels, or they may get pinched by the filters. Be sure to just press onto the frame of the fan and not onto the fan itself. Now we have some hardware to add. These corner brackets support the tension cords. Separate the nuts from the screws. Be sure to have one washer on both sides of the panel. The middle fan on the top panel has one hole without a push pin. Put the long bolt through and attach the corner bracket to the bottom of the fan, again making sure to have a washer on both sides. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the bolts. Be careful not to over-tighten the bolt on the fans, as you might damage the plastic. Add an additional nut to keep it from vibrating loose over time. Now we are ready to assemble the frame. First, start with the bottom panel. It's helpful to put a small flat object under the side to prevent any bending. Take the side panels and carefully press them into the friction fit corners. Don't worry about pushing it all the way in. We will tighten everything up at the end. Now flip the entire assembly over and attach it to the top panel. Now we are going to add the power input cable. The strain relief pushes into the oval hole on the bottom of the side panel. Some fans use cables that string together. If your fans have just a single power connector, then you need to use the supplied hub to connect all the fans to one of the two power supply connectors. Attach the fan hub to one of the connectors. The other connector is not used in this particular assembly. Now carefully attach the fans to the hub. Look for the alignment tab, as these fans only use 3 of the 4 pins. Take out your power supply, plug it in and connect it to make sure all the fans are running and that air is flowing out from the fan grills. Note there's an on-off switch on the cable. Now we are going to install the tension cords. Squeezing the cord lock allows you to remove the cord. Thread the cord to adjacent corner brackets. Squeeze the cord lock and insert both ends of the cord. Don't make it too tight at this stage. Repeat the procedure for the other cord. Now we're going to put the filters on. We're going to use a pair of 20 by 20 by 1 inch filters. Any filter rated MERV 13 will work. We recommend 3M Filtrete, MPR 1900 to 2200. Be sure to check that the airflow arrow points into the box. Also make sure that the pleats of the filter are orientated vertically so they won't sag over time. You may need to pull the corners apart slightly to get the filter in. Once you have the first filter in place, you can sit the box upright. Now use the supplied cable ties to bundle up all the loose cables together so they don't end up hitting the fan blades. You can connect the cable bundles to the tension cords. Snip away all the excess cable ties. Now tighten up the tension cords by pressing on the cord locks and pulling the cord ends. Now install the second filter in the same way you installed the first. Press the sides together for a good fit. Test it one more time and you are done. Thanks for watching.